to start one new course, that is ServiceNow System Administrator. So if you want to get a job in ServiceNow System Administration, or you wanted to learn how to do ServiceNow System Administration, you can see this. After watching this series, like this is going to cover everything. So from starting to end, I am going to cover it. So please watch from start to end. Every weekend, I will try to upload one new series. So please see all the series which will help you to build a career in ServiceNow. And also, if you are new, also you'll understand how ServiceNow platform works and what is the tool, ServiceNow tool, and how it is implemented. Everything we are going to cover in this course. So what will be the course agenda? So let me talk about what I'm going to cover in this entire series. So I will start from ServiceNow basics. So this will be ServiceNow basics. We will see what is ServiceNow and what is ServiceNow tool, what are the different kind of modules are in ServiceNow. Then next we'll go to the what is the prerequisite for ServiceNow. Want to become a ServiceNow admin, what are the prerequisites required. And next we are going to cover the releases, how ServiceNow releases their main features and how it releases the hot fixes. We are going to cover in this release cycle. Then next we are going to see the environment, how ServiceNow environment happen, how production, test or QA and development instance is there, how we'll set up those instance, how you will get all those instance. Then we are going to cover the update set. In the update set, if you are planning to do the production migration and development, QA, production, how will move the update sets and what are the things will capture in update set, what will not capture in the update set, those things we are going to discuss. Then I will give you a ServiceNow instance overview, what is the current version of the ServiceNow and how the version will not depend upon this course. Actually, if you will see this version is never depend upon this course, because we are going to cover the entire core administration of the ServiceNow. We are not going to be specific with any of the new version, but anyhow I'll cover how you will access the, if you are a very new, also you will see how you will access the instance, how you will get a free instance, and how you are going to work in your organizational instance. All those things we'll cover. And next we are going to cover like ServiceNow user interface, how we'll create a logo, how we'll upload the change the color, how you will do the navigation panel, how we'll move from one place to another place, how we'll open the list table. All those things we are going to cover. All UI related things we'll cover in user interface. Then we will come to the main topic like user administration, how we will onboard the users into the ServiceNow platform, what are the different ways to onboard the user into ServiceNow platform. Then we will go to the database management. Database management will cover a lot of topics like how to like if you know ServiceNow is a data driven platform where everything is tables and records. So how we'll upload the data, how we'll do the transform map, CMDB, what is the baseline, how we'll cover all those things in the database management section. Then we will go to the ServiceNow automation management platform, like where we'll cover KB, service request, incident management, change management, and what are the process are available, how a change management process is there, how a request you will submit, what are the processes are there. And then we'll move into the core application administration, where we are going to see how entire the platform, how we'll manage it, and what are the different rules are there, how we'll create or assign a record level. Also you can give some rules also, how we will restrict all those information, how you are going to do that we will see here. And let's say if you are joined in a project where only maintenance work is there, then this topic is going to help you ongoing maintenance. Once development is done, code is migrated to production, and day-to-day basis how we are going to maintain those services and what are the prerequisite for that, and how we are going to that we are going to cover in the ongoing maintenance. Then we'll plan for the upgrade, what are the upgrade checklist, how we'll plan for the upgrade, that we'll cover here. Then this case studies and some of the real-time example I am going to give you. And apart from that, if time permits, I'll give you a bonus topic that I'll say how domain separation works. If you are going to work in a multi-tenant architecture, not a single tenant, in one instance, if you have, and where you will have multiple instances, multiple companies are there in one instance, or multiple customers are there in one instance, how we will handle those multi-tenant architectures, domain separation, that I am going to cover as a bonus topics. So I hope this is going to be a very interesting series. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video, like ServiceNow basics we'll cover in the next video. Let's see in the next video. Till that time, thank you. Bye bye.